to Wagtail Wednesday. I'm taking y'all on a live canvassing. One of my first customers and loyal customers, one of their employees, I did her house a few years back, but she changed the window setting in her porch area, which is why it's been a while. But I tend to take care of the employees because they take care of me. I can go in there and get half off. It's a restaurant slash bar. I can get half off anything on any given day of the week, which is a big deal. I don't be a pig about it and, always cash in on it, but every now and again, I might want to get a little bite to eat, chop some stuff down. But her name is Joyce, and we're gonna go and price something that I never did before. I just did her porch area like a few years ago, but now she wants two prices so she can see how much I guess it is. They don't have a whole lot of money, but it's not really about that, man. It's about staying busy sometimes and doing somebody a favor who really needs it done and make some money in the process. Like, I'm not trying to get rich off of this one job, so I'm not going to be a pig about the price. So don't beat me up too bad when you hear how much I'm going to charge. It may be well within a lot of your brackets, for pricing. Or some you might think it's a little too low. Each area is different. So this employee, the job that I do is a bar slash restaurant. I've been dealing with them for about 20 years now. And I've been fired 3 times. But they always rehire me back. Why? Because I'm like the stepchild they never had. They can't get rid of me. They're stuck with me for life. Now, it's a long story about why I was fired, all right? It's the owner, he just gets in his little moods when he doesn't get his way. It's easy to pick some people that he can get rid of to make him feel like superior or make him feel better about himself, I guess. I don't know. But they always call me to come back. Either because they can't find anybody that is good as me, nor could they find anybody that's cheaper than me. I look out for them, and I've never raised my price. But needless to say, despite all that, we're going to go and price this house. And y'all can come along for the ride. Yes, I thought you weren't going to be home.
I'm back.
Oh,
I just
okay.
had to run out.
Yeah?
Yeah, me and Nick had a couple. I need a weed barrier and shit. We got to go to the depot, but I came home.
You need a who? Weed barrier.
Weed barrier. You're late much better.
Yeah, how about that? And they fold in too.
Whatever you want to do.
Did you know they folded in, or you didn't try?
I didn't try. He probably did. He likes playing with that kind of shit.
Yeah, well, they are dirty. It's been what, 3-4 years?
Yeah.
It's been a while.
So give me a price for that.
Well, you don't have many windows downstairs.
There's 2,
And the good thing about it is you don't have any storms like that porch area.
No, yeah.
You finally upgraded your
Didn't want to.
you gave yourself a facelift.
Had to.
I mean, gave your house a facelift. Oh, I know.
They were just too
The
much.
siding looks good.
Now that's 17, 18 years old now. So those these two.
Well, I mean, it's not dirty. It's like not like full of algae or nothing like that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, excuse me.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
5, 6,
So that's
10.
20 windows. Well, I'm counting you got a top window and the bottom window.
Yeah.
But that's how I count them. And you want that done in and out, plus the porch area? Well, I'll give you a price for just the porch area and then a price for the porch area and the downstairs. All right?
Yeah.
So let me write that together.
We've been bleeding money.
I know. I won't beat you up too bad.
Well,
because I know I've been dealing with y'all for over 15, 20 years now.
His daughter's getting married here a week from, so we got 10 days.
Here at the place?
So that's why.
So you're gonna be using the backyard then? That's cool.
I'm so far. We got to kick it into high gear.
Hello.
So much. I hate him. Don't even talk to him.
Why?
He's rotten. He's so bad. So bad.
He's rotten.
He's so bad.
Oh.
He's bad.
I thought meaning he rotten like the dog farts a lot.
No, he's bad. He's bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, he's being good now.
Yeah.
Whose dog is it?
His daughter's.
Oh, it's not yours though.
He's been living with us forever now. She doesn't know.
And the dog don't like you, or you don't like the dog?
I don't like the dog.
Does the dog know you don't like it?
I take care of him.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
very spiteful.
Yeah?
Yeah. There's my baby.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I thought you had another dog.
I do. I like
That's your
the
pet.
other dog.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah. Marshall's in the garage if you want to say hi.
Okay. Yep.
Chicken.
Cooking chicken or frying chicken? Oh, okay.
How's it going?
Oh, that's what you're doing in the garage. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, cooking,
Hey,
frying chicken.
Try a piece of that. Tell me how much you like.
Okay.
Good?
Not bad.
I do what I can.
That's pretty darn good. That's pretty darn good. I like it.
There you go.
That's why
Are you a chef?
No. I'm a beer
Or you
drinker.
just like to cook?
Yeah. Plus I
I'm
love
the same. But I like to eat as much as I like to cook.
Yep, I know.
Yep. You're a beer drinker, you said?
Yeah.
A beer connoisseur.
Yeah.
That's
I mean,
cool.
I'll drink cheap shit. I'll drink expensive shit. As long as it's cold.
You'll drink rot gut stuff, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Even Natty Daddy?
Even Mickey's largemouth.
Yeah. That's what I used to drink, Natty Daddy.
Yeah.
That's like the
Daddy Ice.
cheap
Oh, yeah.
beer.
Get a case
But
for $10.
it does the job, man.
Yeah.
And you drink enough of Natty Daddy, you gonna be somebody's daddy. But y'all cook out here instead of inside?
Well, it's hot out, so instead of turning the ovens on and heating up
That
the
makes
house,
sense, yeah.
come out here. If it wasn't so sunny right here, I'd be out here. But that's
That
why I
makes
love
sense.
We don't have air conditioning downstairs.
Yeah.
Now. Not by choice, so.
Hey, you did want if we were gonna do the other windows, you want the ledges wiped too and all that, right? Okay. I figured you would. Okay, it's gonna be $130 for the porch area to do both sides, and then it's gonna be $100 for the
rest?
downstairs. So it'll be $230 altogether.
Let me talk to him real quick. Give me 1 second.
Okay. Little girl, what's your name? Just the porch area? Okay, sure.
I mean, this time.
Yeah, and then the next time
We'll do the whole damn thing.
yeah.
Do you have the capabilities to do the upper?
Yeah, I got it's actually a water-fed brush.
Okay.
It shoots reverse osmosis water because I can scrub the frames and all that in one shot.
Right.
And it leaves the windows crystal clear.
So as I
Yeah, I
start working
invested.
again,
I invested in that.
yeah, that's a good piece.
Yeah, it definitely works out.
Yeah, I didn't tell Marcus you were unemployed.
Yeah, I'm unemployed right now.
Oh, well, that's fine.
I got my daughter's wedding.
You're in transition.
Yes.
You know, until something good comes. You'll be back in the swing of things.
I'll take something bad at this point.
I hear you.
All right,
But,
so this time we'll do the porch, and then once I start working, we'll probably have you out
I
before
would
Christmas
say
or
I look
Thanksgiving.
for extra help from time to time. You come help me out, but then I might be out of a job. Because once he learns how to clean his windows, you'll be out there cleaning your own.
That's right.
All right.
All right.
Just call me when y'all ready.
I'm ready, but just tell me what day.
Let's pick a day.
Oh,
Think about it.
how about tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Thursday.
Like late in the afternoon.
That works.
Like around maybe
Because I'll probably
3,
be out here power washing the
3 or
driveway.
4,
Yeah.
around that time?
That
Is
works.
that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you
I'll see you
Any
tomorrow.
problems, give me a call.
Yeah. Oh, can I grab another water?
Yeah, it's got it right there. All right.
All right, Joyce. Was that your cell phone you called me from? Okay. I'll just give you a heads up when I'm on my way, like an hour. You working tomorrow?
Friday.
Oh,
She works
okay.
Friday.
Well, either that, one of you will be here.
Yeah, we'll
So
be here.
I'll just call. You can, if you're not here, just say tell them I'm stopping by or whatever.
We'll make extra for dinner.
Sounds good. All right, take care. See you tomorrow. All right, Joyce.
Thanks so much.
Yes, no problem. Enjoy the rest of your day. What's left of it.
Yeah,
Well, it's not too bad in the shade.
I know.
It's not humid.
We get up at like 6:30, and it's go from then on.
6? That early? You're an early
Already
riser.
did the gym. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll be in bed by 9.
All right, I'll see you. Okay. All right, you gotta love it when it be a conflict of interest. They might not hire me out there. Shoot, he might even try to go in business to eat with them tomorrow. I'm gonna take him up on it too. So they're not gonna get down $100 at least. You know what I mean? That's what I want. All right, this is Masters at Wagtail. All right, so you heard her. We had 20 windows. Then we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. Excuse me, 32 windows.